Let's investigate the spiritual lessons from animals. 1. Embracing the present moment. The value of living in the present is among the most important spiritual lessons from animals that we can learn. Animals don't care about the past or the future, in contrast to humans. Whether it's a bird singing in the morning or a cat lazing in the sun, they are totally present in the moment and completely engaged with it. This presence cultivates awareness and lowers stress by serving as a reminder to cherish the present moment. 2. Unconditional love and acceptance. Many animals, especially pets like dogs and cats, are living examples of acceptance and love that knows no bounds. These lessons from animals are invaluable. They do not evaluate us according to our shortcomings or errors. Rather, they provide love and company without anticipating anything in return. This lesson helps us develop more understanding and accepting relationships by teaching us the importance of loving others unconditionally. 3. Adaptability and resilience. When faced with difficulties, animals exhibit amazing perseverance and adaptation. This is an excellent example of what animals can teach us. Animals teach us the value of adaptability and persistence, whether it's a squirrel acclimating to a new environment or a fish navigating shifting currents. With the knowledge that resilience is essential to conquering life's challenges, this lesson urges us to welcome change and adjust to new situations. 4. Harmony with nature. Animals coexist peacefully with their natural environments, preserving an equilibrium that is vital to the ecosystem's well-being, and that is perhaps one of the greatest spiritual lessons from animals that we can learn. They participate in the circle of life and only take what they require. By serving as a reminder that we are a part of a wider, interconnected web of life, this behavior encourages us to respect and preserve our surroundings. We respect the earth and make sure it survives for future generations when we live sustainably. 5. Instinct and intuition. For survival and well-being, animals greatly depend on their intuition and instincts. They make choices based on an instinctive sense of what is best for them and have faith in their inner guidance. These things are great lessons from animals. This lesson invites us to rediscover our intuition and to put our faith in our inner guidance system when making decisions in life. We can make more genuine and well-informed decisions if we pay attention to our gut feelings. 6. Community and cooperation. Many animals show signs of cooperation and close relationships to their groups. For instance, wolves hunt in packs to increase their chances of success, yet bees coexist peacefully in order to maintain the hive. These examples highlight what animals can teach us. If we work together and support one another, we can achieve more and create a community that is more tranquil. 7. The power of rest and renewal. One of the most important spiritual lessons from animals is that they recognize the value of relaxation and rejuvenation on an instinctual level. Bears hibernate in order to preserve energy, and during their lengthy migrations, birds take regular pauses. This lesson emphasizes how important it is to give yourself time to relax and recover. It's simple to forget how important self-care is in our hectic lives. We can preserve our physical and mental health and perform at our best by making sleep a priority. 8. Courage and bravery. Whether it's a small bug standing its ground or a mother protecting her offspring, animals frequently show incredible bravery and tenacity. These lessons from animals encourages us to confront our concerns and behave courageously when called upon. We can understand that bravery is the willingness to act in spite of fear rather than the absence of it by studying the bravery of animals. 9. Living with purpose. Each animal contributes to the equilibrium and well-being of its surroundings within the ecosystem. We may learn a lot from this sense of purpose as well. These lessons from animals are actually very enriching. Finding and accepting our individual roles can help us live more purposeful and happy lives. Realizing that we all have something worthwhile to contribute might motivate us to follow our passions and have a positive influence. By accepting these teachings, we can travel through life with more grace and insight. We hope you enjoyed the video about what animals can teach us.